Hello everyone, welcome back to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn how to make and how to create a comment line in CSS style tag. Comments will be very helpful in your program or scripts. This will be written there to understand the developer what is the purpose this program is developed. A comment line can be prepared there as a label, but it won't be displayed at end users browser or output of the presentation. So that's why it's a comment line. So comments are very helpful to presenting the program developed by or when it is developed and what is the purpose, all the information as a documentation. We can use the comments. So let's see, these comments also will be ignored by the browser or compiler in all programming languages. So in CSS, here we can write like in a style tag, we can write a comment by applying of // inside. We can put like two stars. Inside two stars, in between the stars, we can write the text. This is called single line comment. So this is a single line comment which we have used and written here. If you need multi-line means you can put enter and you can write the multiple lines. So these text line I have written and surrounded by /* and at the end */ will be treated as comment line. That's it. And this won't this by defaultly it is ignored by the browser and it won't be displayed in the output and it won't be interrupt anywhere. So you can try to apply what is the purpose you are preparing for this. The following lines of the script you can use for comment lines for better understanding of your program and better understanding for your styles and all. Thank you.